Me Pavitran. Today we're gonna see what had happened yesterday. What are the levels which I given and how it worked. We'll start off. I posted a video somewhere around 11:30, I think, during this candle low. Yes, around 11:30, I think. What had happened? I said somewhere around 26:10, about 26:10 we can go for a buy, but until breaks above 28 I will be sell on rise. Even yesterday that had happened. About 26 10, see the rally which has happened, and I mentioned the resistance level somewhere around 2750 and 28, but it took some resistant regarding that yesterday high. Just check out for the yesterday that acted as an resistance, and the 27.5 that was also in the region same. Now, now I also mentioned clearly that for a strong sell to come, somewhere around it should close or it should break $25 first, and if that breaks, then previous day low, that is somewhere around 130, I think. Yeah, 930 to 2450 has to break. But it took support at 25 and then rally started. So now what we have to look for? And the same thing. Firstly, again, the recent high somewhere around. Mm, okay, somewhere around 630 high, 2560 has to break. Then yesterday the retracement zone somewhere around 2575 to 2610, that will act as an again a resistance zone for crude oil if it tries to go up. Once it breaks 2610 like yesterday, then we can see again a rally towards 2750. If it gets successfully broken and 28 gets breached, then crude will be in strong bullish. And Monday, based on the Saturday Sunday news, again we will be discussing what will happen. But don't take overnight positions simply because crude broke $28 level on weekly basis. I'm saying for holding for Saturday Sunday, because some of the news, negative news which might now come, and it will take suddenly crude downwards too. So there's a lot of possibilities over there. And what are the downside you have to look out for? Just look out for 2730 region. It is sorry, in 2430 region, it will act as an support for time being. Once it gets broken, then 22, 23, and 22 and 20 is on the cards for me. But until then, just try to be a sell on rise market. Try to sell whenever you find rejections at the top level, and if you find any good candle with a good volume, then follow that candle. Say for example, like I said, yesterday 2610, if it gets broken, you can be in a buy. It broke at 230, and after the see the rally, it went all the way up to 2750. So if you find this one 230 candle has a good volume, 1430, that candle has a good volume, and see the next candle which had rallied towards that. In the same way, now it is trying to go near that region. Same way, if it breaks the 2610, like I said yesterday, similar fashion, then you can try for a buy with the low of this candle which gets broken. So that will be a good risk reward ratio, because you can keep on trailing until the previous low gets breached. We can assume that trend will be still intact. Now what you should do, I said, given the levels, if it breaks 2610, you can see a rally towards upside. Then if it breaks morning low somewhere around 730, if it breaks, or if it closes below $25 region like yesterday, then we can see downwards rally towards 24 30 and $23. Let's see how crude is going to behave, and we'll check what RSI is doing. Okay, RSI, it can take support resistance at 60, or it can take resistance somewhere around 73 or 75 region. So look out for the trend line. And on the downside, 20, okay, let me just draw it for you. Just look out for this trend region. It can, okay, in that region will act for you for time being. If until this region gets breached, then you can be selling at the top and buying at the bottom. You can do these kind of range bound things during these times. Okay, that's it for me. For me, trend still remains sell on rise. Thank you.